Here is a new code. It uses two symbols. We have two clues. 2 plus 5 times 3 means 2 plus 7 plus 12, and 4 plus 3 times 2 means 4 plus 7. Now find. 5 plus 3 times 6 equals what? Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Here is a hint. What do the three numbers tell you? Look at the first example. The starting number is 2. The next number is 7. That is 2 plus 5. Then 12. That is 7 plus 5. So 5 is the step, and 3 is how many terms there are. Now check the second example. Start at 4. Step by 3, 2 terms. The code is a recipe. The first number is the start, the middle number is the step, the last number is how many terms there are. Now run the recipe. 5 plus 3 times 6. The start is 5. The step is 3. We need 6 terms. 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20. The sum we need is 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14 plus 17 plus 20. Use the Gauss trick. First plus last is 5 plus 20. That is 25. Times the count of 6. Divided by 2, 25 times 3, that equals 75. This is the arithmetic trail rule. Code means recipe. Decode the recipe first. Read off the start, the step, and the count. Then run the recipe. The sum is first plus last times count divided by 2. Find the recipe first. The rest falls into place. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.